So if you are having issues with your sewing, maybe all of a sudden your needle is not going into your fabric as smoothly as it did before, or maybe your thread is fraying or breaking, or there's puckering when you're sewing, chances are you need to replace your needle. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is locate this little screw right here. There should be a screw. They can look different depending on what kind of machine you have, but it will be right above. Here's the needle, and here's the needle arm, and it will be right above, right on that. So you want to locate that, and then you want to raise your needle arm up all the way, and then hold on to your needle. You don't want the needle to fall down into your machine, so hold on to that. Turn that screw counterclockwise toward you, and then just pull that needle out. And then you want to get your new needle, and you want to make sure that you are putting the needle in the right direction. As you can see, let me put something behind here so you can see. The needle, the sewing needle, is flat on one side and round on the other. So there's the flat side and there's the rounded side. You want to make sure that the flat side of the needle is facing toward the back of the machine and the rounded side is facing toward you. So I have the rounded side facing toward me, and I'm just going to insert it up into the hole of the needle arm. And let me lower this so that you can see. And then you're just going to take that screw and tighten it back up. Make sure that the needle is all the way up in there, and then tighten it really good. And that is all you do. It's very simple. So now you have a brand new sharp needle for some good sewing.